Hey, Chris. What? Hey, buddy. What? You all right? Skank it. Hey, bud, what's going on, man?
All right.
Shoulder, Charlie. Hold the channel. Yeah. We can just wait for officers, I mean. Hey, Chris, what's going on, bud? Chris!
Chris, what's happening, man? Talk to me, buddy. Yeah? What's going on, dude? Where are your clothes? What's going on? It's Tuesday. What are you doing? Talk to me, buddy. What'd you take? Yeah?
Go ahead.
All right, man, roll over.
Roll over. Roll over, bud.
Nope. I got his hand. Nope, I got cuffs. Nope, stay down, dude.
Stay down.
Chris. There you go. Now we're straight. There you go, big guy. Nope. There's some back head, man. There you go. Cuffs now, buddy. Alright, we're gonna stand up. I think the scene's cold. This one's cold.
Yeah.
The scene's cold now. Is that Robert E. Lee? Robert E. Lee? Did you go to high school, buddy? I got it.
Yeah.
Can you breathe, Chris? Push that leg up. That way it stays there. That's gonna recover our position. There we go. You got a rip on the leg? Stay down, Chris.
I might in my car. Alright.
I got it.
Mosquito, sorry.
Yeah. You're okay. You're okay. Keep those legs down. You work out, man? Pretty strong. There you go. What's going on? Just at the party? When I invited. You guys have way too much. There you go. Why do you think you're here?